Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of a, where 2 to the power a times 8 to the power a is equal to 30. Or this 2 to the power a times 8, we can write this as 2 to the power 3. This is 8 and whole to the power this a is equal to this right side 30. Or this 2 to the power a, and now applying exponential formula a to the power b whole to the power c is equal to a to the power b times c. So applying this formula, we can write 2 to the power of this 3 times a, that is 3a, is equal to right side 30. Or here again applying another exponential formula, a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So here base are same, so this 2 to the power this 2 will be a plus this 3a is equal to right side 30. Or left side we can write this as 2 to the power a plus 3a, that is 4a, is equal to right side 30. Now taking log to the both side, we can write log of this left side 2 to the power of 4a is equal to right side can be written as log of this 30. We have taken this log to both side. Or applying logarithm formula, log a to the power b is equal to b times log of a. So applying this formula, this 4a times this log of 2 is equal to this log, and 30 we can write this as 2 times 3, this is 6, times 5, this is 30. Or left side 4a log of 2 is equal to, applying formula, log a times b times c is equal to log a plus log b plus log c. So applying this, we can write right side as log of this 2 plus log of this 3, log of 3 plus this log of 5, log of 5. Now divided both side by this 4 times log of 2, we will get left side 4a log of 2 divided by 4 log of 2. We have divided this term. So right side log of 2 divided by 4 log of 2 plus second term, this will be log of 3 divided by 4 log of 2 plus finally log of 5 divided by 4 times log of 2, divided both term by 4 log of 2. Now this 4 and this 4 will cancel, and log 2 and log 2 will be cancelled, and it will be a is equal to this log 2 and log 2 will cancel, and it will be 1 over 4 plus here this will be 1 over 4 times this log of 3 divided by log of 2 plus this will be 1 over 4 times this log of 5 divided by this log of 2. And we will get the value of a is equal to this 1 over 4 plus this term 1 over 4 times log of 3 divided by log of 2. We can write log of 2 base of this 3 plus this 1 over 4 times log of 5 divided by log of 2. We can write log of 2 base of this 5. And this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.